what is high-quality, lightweight energy, saving panel production line. High-level automation is high quality, easy to operate, and labor saving is high quality. Low production cost, reliable quality, wide range of materials, customized formula, safe, durable, and easy to maintain are all high quality. As a comprehensive provider of green wall system and technology export, integrating design, R&D, production, and sales at home and abroad since 2006, Vanjoin has built 2 production bases with an annual output of 5 million square meters for field research and development of lightweight energy-saving panel production line. Won a number of invention patents, science and technology progress awards, and output 30 production lines annually. Vanjoin Generation 6 lightweight energy-saving panel production line includes 6 systems: 1. Boiler foaming system, 2. Raw material storage, convey, measuring system, 3. Casting and forming system, 4. Running, vibration, maintenance system, 5. Molding and demolding system, 6. Monitoring and operating system. Raw materials include cement, sand, EPS, or ceramsite, perlite, volcanic stone, etc., water, additives, calcium silicate board or cement fiber board, magnesium oxide board, etc. 1. Boiler foaming system. It is composed of boiler and foaming machine. The polystyrene raw material is foamed into EPS particles with diameter approximately 5 millimeters, which then will be transported to the EPS storage net by blower to cool. 2. Raw material storage, convey, measuring system. All processes are controlled by PLC system. 1. The cement in cement silo will be conveyed to the measuring hopper by screw conveyor for accurate weighing. 2. The sand in sand hopper will be transported to the measuring hopper by belt conveyor and bucket elevator for accurate weighing. 3. EPS will be transported to the measuring hopper by blower and pipeline for accurate weighing. 4. Water will be delivered to the measuring hopper by water pump for accurate weighing. 5. The additive is stored in the weighing hopper. After being accurately weighed, it will be transmitted to the mixer through screw conveyor. 3. Casting and forming system. All raw materials are accurately put into the mixer to mix for 3 to 5 minutes, and then the industrial computer is operated to pour the materials into the molding machine or transfer the materials to the storage mixer, then conveyed to the grouting machine via hose pump to complete the injection of the molding machine automatically. 4. Running, vibration, maintenance system. The production site includes running track and transfer track. The transfer track is located at both ends of the running track, and the molding machine is operated by traction return car and transfer car respectively. After pouring, the molding machine runs to the vibration position, and the vibration platform automatically clamps both sides of the mold truck. High-frequency vibration eliminates bubbles. After vibration, it enters into the maintenance area for maintenance. 5. Molding and demolding system. After the panel is maintained, use the electric opening device to open the molding machine. Control each hydraulic cylinder and hydraulic drive device on the demoldering turnover machine to pull out the panel, turn it over 90 degrees, and transport it to the maintenance area by forklift. Spray and maintain it regularly for 3 days, waiting for packing and delivery. After demolding, the molding machine is transferred to the molding loading area. After the aluminum mold is installed, the electric clamping device will pre-clamp the molding machine, and operators insert the calcium silicate board into molding machine from operation platform, then use long screw to lock the whole cavity. 6. Monitoring and operating system. Adopting interconnection between upper and lower computers. The operation system simulated on-site technological process by simple and vivid graphics The modular acquisition technology is used for precise control. It can be started by one key and run automatically in a cycle. Besides, it's equipped with monitoring system to strengthen safety prevention. After one day's work, it's necessary to use high-pressure water gun to clean the mixer, pouring area, and aluminum molds. The cleaning material flows into the sedimentation tank and can be recycled after purification. We provide 24-hour technical support services. Your satisfaction is our only mission. Let's join hands together to give more greenness back to the earth by technology.